Hey Snaglepus, can we go to Toys R Us? No, we cannot, Woody Woodpecker. We are going to go to the grocery store to buy random stuff. But Snaglepus, the Toys R Us is just across the street from here. I don't care. We are going to the grocery store and that's final. Come along now. No! If you don't take me to Toys R Us, I will destroy the buildings. For the last time, no. Screw the school. Screw the library. Screw the airplane. Screw the theater. Screw the buildings. Woody Woodpecker, you just destroyed the entire city. Let's go home now. Woody Woodpecker, how dare you destroy the city? You're very lucky you're not in prison. That's it. You're grounded for life. Go to your room right now. Wow.